In what situations can women wipe over the khimar or scarf? And is the conditions of the wiping of the sock the same as the turban or khimar?
I said that that's the same condition. Sock, it means I have to put them on tahara. Nobody says that you have to put your scarf on tahara. The scholars are different regarding wiping over the scarf of the women. Correct opinion, they are the same as men. The same as men. Okay. Any scarf which takes a bit of time to take off, you could wipe over it. This qalansa, why is not? For two reasons. Because it's too easy. Number two, it does not cover the whole head, like the scarf. Okay? Two reasons. Now,
A sister's asking to describe how to wipe over the scarf.
like this. Like this. When you wipe over the head, use the two heads, Ikhwani. Don't use like some of them, their head, they do like this, with one finger or two fingers. Well, why should you do that? If you have one hand, or your hand is left to one, where the right one of them is not really able to, do like this, and like that. If one of the hand is not functioning properly. Okay? Now, so you do like this. Same thing with the scarf. Now.
That's it.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. إن شاء الله see you